Hi, welcome to automation-testing.in. In this video, we will see how to enable developer mode in Windows 10. Okay, so in our previous video for WinAppDriver introduction, we said this is one of the prerequisite to work with WinAppDriver. So then how to enable developer mode in Windows 10? So before we see how to enable, uh, we'll talk about one or two points. What is developer mode and what is the use of enabling this developer mode? Okay, so the first point is developer mode was released as part of Windows 10 anniversary edition. Okay, so as part of Windows 10 anniversary edition, they introduced developer mode. Okay, and the second point is it provides developers. Okay, it provides developers some additional tools to test Windows Store applications. Okay, so it provides developers some additional tools to test Windows Store applications. And the third point is it can be used to install and debug. So you can install and debug that application. What are these applications? Non-certified Windows Store applications. So you may not download the application from the Windows Store. It might be something else which you already developing, right? So which you already developing, then it will not be available in the store. So you are not downloading from the store. It means if it is non-certified Windows Store application also, you can install and debug if you enable developer mode in Windows 10. It also provides user experience optimization. Okay, it also provides user experience optimization. These are the few just points. These are really not related to our exact topic, but when you talk about developer mode means what it is exactly. So why to use that means why to enable that. Okay, so this is the brief information about the developer mode. So now we'll see how to enable this. Okay, so for this, so you need to go to settings. Okay, you need to go to settings and go to update and security section. Okay, update and security section, and from there you have one of the options called for developers. Means this is for developer section. There you can find developer mode. Okay, so settings, update and security for developers, and developer mode. So we'll see. Click on your Windows icon, start button. You'll find here settings, right? Otherwise you search settings here. Okay, otherwise you can directly go from there, the settings. Once you get the settings, okay, once you get the settings, go to update and security. Click on this. So then in the left side, okay, in the left side you will find for developers. Okay, so you need to click on this for developers option, left side. So okay, so when you then we can see developer mode. Okay, developer mode, here you can find. Okay, install apps from any source including loose files. Okay, means non-certified application also you can install and you can debug those when you enable developer mode. Otherwise the operating system, Windows 10 operating system, will not allow you to install and debug those applications. If you want to achieve that, you need to enable this developer mode. Okay, turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. Okay, so if you do this, there is a chance of security risk. So it is asking us to, you want to turn on or not, means you want to enable or not. So that is our requirement. So we can say yes. Okay, you just enable your developer mode. Okay, that's it, that simple it is. Okay, come to the settings, update and security for developers and developer mode. Otherwise, what you can say here, just search here in the search developer mode. So then you find developer settings directly here. When you search, when you open, you see that it directly comes for developers option. So you can directly switch on this option. Okay, this is how you can enable developer mode in Windows 10. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates.